So the market performance for the Greater Bunbury region in the last 12 months has been another really great year right across the board, averaging 12 to 15% growth in most suburbs. There has been some suburbs that have performed better, anywhere up to about 18%, South Bunbury being one. So we've seen a really healthy mix of all types of buyers again, which have been investors both locally and also continual strong activity from the East Coast sector as well. And then there's been a lot of local home buyers still wanting to upgrade, some downsizing, so a really healthy blend. So market conditions at the moment are still really healthy, but it has steadied. There has been obviously some contributing factors within the economy that are having a bearing on that, and some buyers are just proceeding with a little bit more caution. But there's still a lot of motivated buyers still looking, both investing and of home owners. The average days on market has extended out a little for what it has been previously, but still quite a respectable sort of 30 to 45 days on market on average. Stock levels have risen, which is reflected by about 10 to 20% compared to what we saw this time sort of last year. So there's some really good opportunities still for motivated buyers, and for sellers, we're suggesting that at the moment, probably just a little bit more consciousness around pricing is having to be apparent, but for good value homes, there are still a really good level of activity. So moving forward, we don't know what the market holds for the next sort of little period of time, but we are probably in somewhat more of a slightly more balanced market now. Equal number of buyers to probably equal number of sellers. I think there's some good opportunities for buyers now with a little less competition, but some stabilising values. I think also the other great opportunity that this market presents is for a lot of people that have been wanting to sell and either upsize or downsize, but have found that very difficult in the past because of having to sell in order to buy. So that's giving them probably some more opportunities now to be able to achieve that. With obviously selling their property in order to purchase. So whilst we are seeing the typical seasonal activity for this time of year around the June-July period being winter and end of financial year, I do expect that coming into the spring market we're going to see more of a balanced market, but still really good opportunities for both buyers and sellers that are motivated.